Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade Google Antigravity to the latest LLM step by step. So if your Antigravity app still feels old, slow, or you cannot see the newest model option, don't worry. We are going to check the app, update it, sign back in, choose the latest model, and then test it to make sure everything is working properly. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. You can do this from your Start menu on Windows, your Applications folder on Mac, or your App menu on Linux. Once the app opens, wait a few seconds for everything to load. Do not click around too fast, because sometimes the app needs a moment to check your account, your projects, and your available model options. After it opens, look at the left side or bottom area of the app and find the Settings button. Step 2. Check your current version. Now, look at the top left. Look for anything that says About, Version, Updates, or App Info. This is where you can usually see which version of Google Antigravity you are using. If your version is old, that may be the reason why you do not see the newest LLM option. New model options usually need the newest version of the app, so this step is very important. If you see an Update button, click Update. Step 3. Update the app. If Google Antigravity gives you an update option inside the app, click Update and let it finish. During this part, do not close the app unless it tells you to. Let the update download, install, and restart if needed. If the app asks you to restart, click Restart. After it opens again, go back to Settings and check the version one more time. This helps you confirm that the update actually worked. Step 4. Download the newest version manually. If you do not see any update button, open your browser and go to the official Google Antigravity download page. Download the newest version for your computer. Choose Windows if you are on Windows, Mac if you are on Mac, or Linux if you are on Linux. Once the download is finished, open the installer and follow the steps on the screen. If it asks you to replace the old version, allow it. This will keep things clean and make sure you are using the newest version. If that still doesn't work, sign out and sign back in. Also, make sure you are using the correct Google account. Sometimes people update the app correctly, but they sign in with a different account, and then the new model option is missing. And that's how to upgrade Google Antigravity to the latest LLM in 2026. The main things to remember are simple. Update the app, sign in with the right account, open your project, choose the latest model, and test it before you start working. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.